Hey all, so got a light switch here that is recessed. It's not coming out, so it looks kind of dorky. You can tighten these screws down only so much to really pull it against it. The switch box or whatever back there. So I'm gonna show you just how to fix this. Now it's not too far recessed. But it's just enough to make it look a little bit off. So what you want is you want this to be out flush with the sheetrock. So basically you just measure from the box to the out where the sheetrock is, and I'm just eyeballing this. It's about 1/8 of an inch. And so what you do, super simple, is you just take a shim. Right, it's got all the different lengths on it. Now, depending how far your box is recessed, you could cut off, all the way from just a little tiny bit to obviously almost 1/4 of an inch on a full shim. I've already cut this shim. To get you to where you want to come behind here and shim behind it. So this outlet also is not the strongest. It's only got like 1 nail or 2 nails going into it, kind of weird. So it's kind of floppy. So it's just a switch though, so it's not a super big deal. So what I'm gonna do is just cut this shim and make a couple to come behind this metal plate, to come between the metal plate and the box behind it. So I'm just gonna cut off about this much over here to where I'm about right here, shim, and then I'll cut across with a little oscillating saw, and then I'll do like another one just a little bit higher, because this one even actually looks like it's a little further back in the bottom than the top. So I'm just gonna cut out those shims real quick, and we'll be right back.